Okay, continuing with Sadie. Now we have cut, we've drawn that, we've cut it. Now, you don't want to cut across here because you're going to cut into this little thing, this little, so what you do is you take your knife and you follow the line. You cut here, then you cut here, then you come up here and cut, you come here and cut, come here, and here. And with the tip of your knife, we just remove that wood in there. See it? Now, that's a little bit hard to see. I know, I'm sorry. But we're just making... And here, come up. You have to be kind of careful. We just remove that wood in there. And the same thing here. We just remove that wood in there. So you just follow the lines and just take the wood off right in there. Cut a little bit more. Don't try to take it all at one time. Just slowly remove that wood off. And that will be your little strands hanging down. And like I said, when we paint it, it's going to be, of course, more noticeable. Now, you don't have to put that strand back there. I know for beginners that might be a little bit tough carving back there, but that just kind of gives it a... Okay. And that is back here, and that takes care of that. All right, I'm going to just kind of come back here a little bit and up in here, just sort of bring that up where the seat is, just a little bit on this side too, just bring up where kind of the dress comes. Just make a little seat right there. There we go. Just a little. You don't have to do this. It's just make it look like the dress sort of folds over the behind here. It's like that, in other words. Okay. Now, we're going to take our V-tool and we're going to start working on this hair. Bring that hair around right there. Gotta get my hands where I can use this. Okay, kind of take your V-tool and sort of move out in there on that little ridge in the bottom, in the middle. But you know how we do hair. You get the general idea of it. Okay. All right, now we got the hair done. Excuse me. I'm kind of inside today because of we've got some bad weather out there from Hurricane Dolly. We're not getting a lot. We're quite a ways from Brownsville, but we're still on the coast here, and we're getting some rain out of it. Not high winds. I heard they're catching it pretty good in Brownsville and places like that. Anyway, there's our hair that we've done, and we're going to come down here right underneath the neck here. We're going to put a little V in there. That's going to be where the dress sort of meets. I'm just going to use my V tool. There we go. And then take the point of my knife. So what I'm doing, kind of dig that out in there, in other words. That's just where the dress, the V-neck of the dress is, in other words. Okay. Now Sadie's just about done. I'm going to come up, take a little bit of this off, get these arms back a little bit. A woman doesn't have massive arms. Most women don't, unless you're a bodybuilder. And there we go. I tell you what, we're just about got her done. Of course, we got